How to enable speedometer in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can enable speedometer in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to enable speedometer on your Google Maps app, it's actually very simple. Open the Google Maps application here and then just make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right. Once you tap the profile icon there, just go to settings. After that, simply scroll down and look for the option known as navigation settings and tap on it. And when you tap on navigation settings here, you should be able to find all this sorts of information, where if you scroll down under driving options, you'll find speedometer. You want to make sure to simply enable this and speedometer will get successfully enabled. This way you can enable speedometer on Google Maps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.